Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this. It's pretty jagged, pretty rugged, pixelized. It probably won't trace. I didn't try it. Pretty easy to redraw. I'm going to work off the page this time. I'm going to make an ellipse. No, I'm not. I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, but I'm going to make my new one quite a bit smaller. So I've got two. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend, and I'm going to blend 25 times. That might be too many to make it look like that. Let's go 20. That's not bad. Now, you don't have to, but I'm going to go and break the blend apart because we're going to do some things, and some of them are still grouped together. So I'm going to ungroup them, but then I'm going to group them back. The blend has some inner ones that are grouped. Now, I want this circle. I want a circle outside that circle, and I want a circle inside that circle. So what I'm going to do is just draw an ellipse starting about right in the middle and hold down the Control button and the Shift key. And I'm going to go right there. But then I'm going to make it black so you can see it. And I'm going to hit P. And then I'm going to select them both. And I'm going to try hitting just L. And I actually need to make it a little bit smaller because I want just that circle in there. So I'm going to hold down the Shift key. And then select it again and hit L. I made it too little. Control D, and you could probably use a parallel dimension tool to make my life a little bit easier. I made a copy of it. I'm just going to grow it out. Well, that's good. Hit L. And we don't have to be to the edge of that. Now I'm going to take this, Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to bring it in from the inside. Just to the get where I'm on the inside of that. Now what we're going to do, 42 inches, wow. Let's set our nudge factor on 40 inches. And let's move this out of the way. I need to take my Smart Fill tool and do that right there. It makes an object. And then I'm going to move it over there and I'm going to left click, right click. And then I'm going to select them both and I'm going to hit Intersect. And look at that. Now, they've got some blue color behind it, evidently. And so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to make my lines black. And their lines are a little bit thicker, but you can change that. We can go, well, let's keep them black. Go up to Object, Group, and ungroup it. And no, I was afraid of that. They're individual pieces. So what we can do is just select it all and make them something other than a hairline, just to make them a little bit black. Let's go with 4 points. Well, when you're drawing something pretty big, it doesn't change. There we go. Now, I have nudged this whole time. I did not move. So what I'm going to do now is move this out of the way. And I'm going to take, well, I could actually match that color. Smart Fill tool, get your eyedropper, get you a sample of that and put it in there. Now, I don't want the outline, so I'm going to just move the color. Then I'm going to go to Object, Order, back a page. And with the exception of the size, and who knew, I didn't know how big that was when they sent it to me. See how the bitmap actually changes it? That's pretty close, if not dead on. You could probably have counted the lines, but, from here, see how many rings there were. If you had to have it perfect, I don't think they were caring about how perfect it was. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.